Well folks, welcome to Avian Fish TV's latest video, how to wrap a fishing rod. Okay, if you want to know how to ship and box a fishing rod, have a look at our other video, and I'll try and put this on a playlist so you can see both. But this is how to wrap a fishing rod when you don't have a rod case. Okay, this is one of the best materials you can use. It is fairly cheaply available in both larger and smaller quantities. What it is essentially is flooring insulation. And it's about 2mm thick, and it's made of polystyrene. Actually, it's probably slightly tougher than polystyrene. And this is essentially one of the things that you can use to ship fishing rods, to wrap fishing rods. Okay, so firstly take the end of the roll and cut strips approximately 1.5 inches wide. So what you will get is something that looks pretty much like this. Okay, the next thing to do is to connect all your strips together with sellotape. And let's just zoom in. There, you can see what I've done there. Okay, next we're going to begin by wrapping the strips at an angle like this over the very end of the rod, and then taping them over, but keep the tape off the rod. You should end up with something like this, off at a diagonal. Now then, don't put sellotape on the rod, especially old vintage rods. This is a mistake that a lot of old retailers make, where they clag stickers and price labels and sellotape all over things, and these are very valuable antiques, so you really don't want to damage them. So now we're going to proceed to wind the strip down the rod. Now this is fairly quick to do, and I've just left it in the middle there just to show you what it looks like. And that's the reason why we connected the strips together, so you've got a nice long strip of insulation there, which is a nice foamy insulation which protects the rod from damage in transit. When you get to the end, fold the section of tape over and put some sellotape on it. Again, try to keep the sellotape off the actual rod itself. And this is what the wrapped rod sections look like. It's nice and neat, it's foam protective, and these are ready now to insert into your rod tube, ready for shipping. If you want to know how to do that, see our other video on how to pack and ship a fishing rod. Okay, this is Avian Fish TV signing off now. Hope you look out for more videos. Thanks very much for watching.